New for 2018 three-row crossover to fill the hole in Subaru's product lineup since the unloved Tribeca was discontinued after 2014. This prototype is lightly coated in a body-hugging camouflage wrap and appears to take its design from the Highlander-on-steroids Viziv-7 Concept that debuted at November's Los Angeles Auto Show. An exec from Subaru's parent company said at the time that the next three-row from Subaru will be the biggest Subaru vehicle ever. That's for sure. The wheelbase is 117.7 inches and the overall vehicle measures 204.7 inches, a bit longer than a Chevy Tahoe.